How to download and install the Wi-Fi adapter driver for wireless USB adapter without a CD. Now, for this process to work, what you need is a spare or an extra laptop or PC that you can download separately and a USB flash drive that has at least 6 gigabytes of storage. So all you have to do is to switch into a working laptop, and then all you have to do is to separately download the driver. You just need to go to Zebronics, then it is usually at the very top. Just simply click on that and you will be redirected to Zebronics official site. Now hover your mouse into support and then go to driver downloads. From here, locate the search box, which is here, and then type in 150. And then this is where you can choose between MediaTek and Realtek. So these specific files right here are all the same drivers, but has a different product. So as you can see, this is for USB devices. Now choose on your preferred one, download it, copy it into your USB flash drive that you attach to the current PC where you downloaded this files right here, and then insert it on a PC again where you would like to install it without a CD on downloading and installing a Wi-Fi adapter driver. And that's how you download and install Wi-Fi adapter driver without CD for wireless USB adapter.